Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, February 26, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, February 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 26, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, February 26, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for February 26, 2026 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, February 26, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.